What if everything you believe about growing food is outdated? For years, we were told one thing: you need land. But something changed, and almost no one is talking about it. Right now, people are growing food inside small apartments. Not just a little food, a lot of food. Enough to feed families, enough to sell, enough to change lives. This is not farming anymore, this is systems. And once you understand systems, you stop depending on the outside world. There are 3 powerful ways people are doing this. Let's break them down. First, hydroponics, growing without soil. Plants don't waste energy searching for nutrients. They grow faster. Much faster, sometimes 2, even 3 times faster. And the craziest part? You can grow vertically, meaning more food in less space. Second path, mushrooms, the hidden gold mine. They don't need sunlight. They grow in the dark, and they grow on waste, coffee grounds, straw, sawdust, turning trash into profit. Some growers make thousands from a garage. Third path, aquaponics, nature working together. Fish feed the plants, plants clean the water. A complete ecosystem. At home, no waste, no chemicals, just life. And here's where it gets even more interesting. You don't need thousands to start. Some people started with less than $50, and within weeks, they had their first harvest. That is when everything finally changes for you. Because now, you see food differently. You realize you don't need the system. You can create your own supply, your very own sustainable income source, your own freedom, growing your own world. So here's the question. Are you going to watch, or are you going to start building today? If you want to learn how to build your first system, subscribe now. Because the future of food is not in farms anymore. It's in your hands. Start today.